Wintertime sucks for flying RC planes, but does it have to? In the warmer months, this is all grass. In fact, I have to take off on a tiny landing strip down there. Now with snow, I can basically take off and land anywhere I want. Another pro is the sunlight. It's actually quite gentle and absolutely beautiful for flying. One of the issues I found with landing in the snow is the light powdery snow really digs in with the floats here. So when you land the plane, you have to make sure to come in with the back of the plane down like that. Cons of flying in the wintertime. The first one is cold, the second one is cold, the third one is cold. Cold, cold, cold. My fingers are freezing. Periodically, you want to check the plane for ice. Ice on the wings, ice on the control surfaces, and ice on the propeller. Another tip I find that helps with flying in the snow is to add a bit of packing tape to the bottom of your floats. This helps reduce the friction on the snow and helps your plane to slide a bit nicer. Keep your batteries warm. Do not keep your batteries in the snow like this. This will kill, drain, ruin your battery. It'll ruin your flights. Keep them warm and you will get more power when you're in the sky and longer flight times.
Whoa.
So with that said, guys, it is cold. I'm gonna head back inside, but until next time, Pete the Pilot, signing out.